Your gut controls far more than digestion. It influences your immune system, brain, mood, and inflammation. When your gut bacteria are balanced, your body thrives. When they're not, symptoms show up fast. In this video, you'll learn the best foods for gut health, backed by science. These foods support digestion, immunity, and the gut-brain connection. Fermented foods are natural probiotics. They introduce beneficial bacteria directly into your gut. Sauerkraut contains lactobacillus strains that strengthen the gut lining. Kimchi boosts beneficial bacteria while reducing harmful microbes. Kefir contains diverse probiotic strains that improve digestion and gut integrity. Kombucha supports microbial diversity and detoxification pathways. Fermentation also increases vitamin absorption and produces anti-inflammatory compounds. Probiotics need fuel to survive. That fuel comes from prebiotic foods. Chicory root and Jerusalem artichokes are rich in inulin fiber. Garlic and onions help beneficial bacteria grow while suppressing pathogens. Green bananas and cooled potatoes form resistant starch that feeds the gut. Apples and flax seeds reduce gut inflammation and support microbial balance. Polyphenols act as antioxidants and prebiotics for your gut. Blueberries and blackberries reduce inflammation and support metabolic health. Dark chocolate increases beneficial gut bacteria when consumed in moderation. Green tea strengthens the gut barrier and supports digestion. A damaged gut lining allows toxins to enter the bloodstream. Bone broth provides collagen and amino acids that repair the gut lining. L-glutamine supports gut cell regeneration and reduces permeability. Certain fats reduce gut inflammation and support healthy bacteria. Olive oil polyphenols improve gut barrier function. Omega-3 fats reduce inflammation and promote microbial diversity. Herbs and spices act as natural antimicrobials in the gut. Turmeric reduces gut inflammation and supports microbial balance. Ginger improves digestion and gut motility. Oregano helps control bacterial overgrowth. Some foods actively damage the gut microbiome. Emulsifiers disrupt the gut's protective mucus layer. Artificial sweeteners reduce beneficial gut bacteria. Ultra-processed foods promote inflammation and dysbiosis. Healing your gut doesn't require perfection, just consistency. Eat 1 to 2 servings of fermented foods daily. Aim for 30 to 40 grams of fiber from whole foods. Stay hydrated to reduce gut inflammation. Manage stress to support the gut-brain axis. Your gut responds quickly to what you eat. Small changes create powerful results. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for science-backed gut health tips.